Print files saved on a USB flash drive on HP Color LaserJet Pro M454 or MFP M479 printers. The file types supported when printing from a USB drive are PDF, JPG, PRN, PCL, PS, DOC, DOCX, PPT, and PPTX. On the printer, locate the USB port. The location varies depending on the printer, but is usually near the control panel. If necessary, lift any covers on the port, and then insert the USB drive. Wait for the printer to detect the USB drive, and then touch Print Documents. Navigate to and select the document you want to print. Touch the settings icon, and then change any paper tray settings to match the print job. Adjust any desired print settings, including print quality and collated printouts. Touch Save Current Settings to save the settings as default for all future print jobs. Otherwise, touch the back button. Adjust the number of printouts and then touch Print.